So I stayed 2 nights in Jhelum One Hotel, um, one of very few hotels you can find that are good ones on Booking.com. It was very nice. Um, they organized everything for me, including the tour to the fort, which is one of the main attractions. The breakfast was included, was nice. The tea was delicious, so everything was good. I think it's totally safe to stay in the place for a foreigner. So yeah.
Which thing you like the best? What was the best during your stay? What facility was the best for you?
Well, just hospitality and that everything was organized, all the services were provided. So I didn't have an issue with that.
How was the cleanliness?
Oh, it was clean. Yeah.
Wi-Fi was good.
Oh, the Wi-Fi was very fast, very good. I was actually very surprised.
Thank you very much.